How much are Odegaard the champions here to
once what Mikel Arteta has been craving.
Along with Dominic Szoboszlai and Luis Diaz, asking the questions first to Arne Slot on why there is no Trent today.
Liverpool beat Arsenal in the Premier League 12 years and Partey, that's a roll by Mo Salah, Luis Diaz, and Raya plunges eyeball to eyeball.
That's a great save.
Trossard. Crossfield. Bradley went in. Odegaard to play it in, and Bukayo Saka to roll it wide. And there was no flag.
No, there was no flag. I'm trying to think of which Liverpool play. Just signs that they're a little bit off it again.
Marino, Odegaard was held up by Saliba. Then didn't communicate with Trossard, still Leandro Trossard. And Liverpool eventually got bodies around Luis Diaz. The incident, but then chose not to blow.
I think Odegaard's going to need a new shirt.
Odegaard, a flick. Marino. And Saka floats it in, and Martinelli meets it.
Look across.
Robertson Gakpo!
He's made up for it.
Nails it near post. And the champions are in front.
Well, he might have had the stares of Mo Salah a couple of moments before, but I mean, he makes a great run, it's a spin, he does play wide. David Raya goes back into his goal.
Szoboszlai's onside, and Diaz can walk it in for two. They're on the high, and sub.
I think I mentioned it in the first 5 minutes. There were signs that the Arsenal on the ball looked pretty good, but off the ball, the legs maybe not quite there. Their alertness, their sharpness. For the first goal, cost them, and it's just cost them again, but it was really good play from Liverpool.